Hi, this is Priyanka. Welcome to Goldstone Finvest. Updates on credit policy. Today, the Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) retained the key policy rates unchanged, indicating that a status quo will be desirable at this juncture when the growth inflation scenario remains uncertain. The rate setting panel also cautioned about the threats emerging from a persisting high inflation and suggested that it will await more data for a clearer trend. The MPC also indicated that growth recovery is at a nascent stage but sounded optimistic of growth arrival this year. The accommodative policy stance will continue. The MPC maintained its gross domestic product GDP growth forecast at 10.5% for the financial year 2022. This is how the key policy rates have moved since the pandemic COVID-19. The growth scenario remains weak. The Index of Industrial Production (IIP) contracted by 1.6% in the month of January as per the data which is released by MOSPI. Similarly, the manufacturing PMI fell to 7 months low in the month of March. According to the monthly IHS Markit India Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index (PMI), the survey which was released on April 5th, manufacturing PMI stood at a 7-month low of 55.4 in the month of March, down from 57.5 in the month of February. In PMI parlance, a print above 50 means expansion, while a score below that denotes contraction. The MPC's primary mandate is to keep inflation within the prescribed limits and fix policy rates accordingly. The MPC set up in 2016 has been given a free hand on the inflation targeting for the next 5 years at 4%, with 2% deviation on either side. In the minutes of last MPC meeting, the members had clearly indicated that the focus of the panel largely continues to be on the same page with respect to the urgent need to support a flattering economy hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) today said that the retail inflation is likely to be at 5% in quarter 4 financial year 21 against 5.2% forecast earlier. RBI Governor Sri Shaktikanta Das said that the Consumer Price Index (CPI) inflation trajectory is likely to subject to both upside and downside pressures. He also added that retail inflation for financial year 2022 quarter 1 and quarter 2 was seen at 5.2%. CPI inflation for quarter 3 and quarter 4 financial year 22 is being seen at 4.4 and 5.1% respectively. Food inflation will depend on progress of southwest monsoon and taxes on petroleum products. The RBI governor noted that the RBI's MPC policy also kept the repo rate unchanged at 4% and retained the accommodative stance. The marginal standing facility 4.2%, bank rate at 4.25% and reverse repo rate at 3.35% were also kept unchanged. The central bank also retained gross domestic product (GDP) growth of 10.5% for the financial year 2022 and said global growth is gradually recovering from the pandemic-triggered slowdown but remains uncertain. In the previous policy review, the RBI had projected the financial year 22 GDP growth at 10.5%. The CPI-based inflation has been inched up in the recent months, primarily triggered by food prices. The CPI or retail inflation rate for the month of February 2021 surged to 5.03%. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation (MOSPI) said on Friday, March 12th, triggered by the rise in food inflation and fuel. A persistent high retail inflation has been worry for the policymakers, which has essentially limited the rate-setting panel's ability to cut the key policy rate to support the economy that is fighting an economic contradiction. In the last policy review, the RBI had said that core inflation outlook is influenced by cost push pressure seen in the recent months and noted that the CPI moved below 6%, supported by a fall in vegetable prices and favorable base. A post-policy press conference will be held at 12 p.m. today. Stay tuned for further updates. Updates by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.